Cut Metalworks, August 6, 2019. This is 1095 steel with 1% of carbon, and it has 65 Rockwell. It's differential hardening here. Is I torch the spine, so that's why you see the burnt spot here with the torch. So the spine is softer than the edge. The edge is 65, and this is the quite thin. It's 1/8 inch thick. It's freehand sharpened about 16 degrees precise. I put marker on this edge here, and I use the Edge Pro to touch it with 18, and it barely touched the apex. So it's about 15, 16 degrees precise. The thickness behind the edge is 15 thou, and I'm not going to, and so it's very thin overall geometry here. And if this was a 1/4 inch thick, then for this bevel here it would be up to here, so it's almost like a full flat grind. And this is the little knife, so that it will face more abusive test, and it has 18 degrees precise, so it's a slightly more stout, and have 16 thou behind the edge thickness. And it's the same, heat treated, the same batch, and same temper, and everything about the same, and hardness and everything. So let's start out. Each of these knives is sharp, plenty sharp, meaning that not super sharp, but plenty sharp. It got touch up with this touch up with about 2000 grit Shopton Pro Waterstone. Anyway, for this one is free-handed. I don't remember, and also because I touched it with the 600 diamond plate, did not touch me, verify the edge here, so it might got a little rough, coarse teeth on it. And to start out, we chopped some these wood that have been dry. So it's quite biting. Now I can, because again, thin, quite thin, so I better chop down here so they don't bind much. And anyway, this is basically like a big knife, bolo leg, and I put some, actually either beautiful rosewood or kingswood. It turned out that mysterious piece of wood turned out to be a lot prettier, and they fastened wood tree Corby 1/4 inch Corby bolt. I forgot to bring out some 2x4. Just for reference. Not really, it's really soft wood. And this, I haven't been going to get wood, so I got these dry eucalyptus. I've been many of my videos using it, so now I have to put a hand on it so I can comfortably hold it back here. It's very dense. It's really hard. And for those that actually so that I'm not going to make too long a video. Oh yeah, well, we'll quick check and see anything done anything with that. For this edge, I'm not going to. I like putting a big chopper here, chopping this bone, but I'm just going to whittle. This is a femur bone, cow femur bone pet. Whittle. It's quite hard, so that if you, when you do this thing, the edge of the knife will, the edge will fold, and the brittle one will called microchips. In 1085, it's fairly simple to heat treatment because they lack of a lot of alloy. It does have 0.2% of, for this one, of chromium, and I think it's 0.4% of manganese, I think. But anyway, but in order to get fine grain, pretty much the only thing that I use to create super fine grain is pretty much using cementite, and also the distribution of carbonyl and other elements there to make a gradient, pressure gradient, in order to create nuclear grain. Anyway, so that is the chopper. Let's see. This is, I select the easy one here, but not exactly a platoning, but I'm going to split this thing. And I've got this one here. These are straight grain. It's easy, but so when you're cutting wood, but if I was platoning now, I'm just going to do, cutting sideways wood. Let me do one more thing with it. Well, every time I make a video and I end up make it long. This is same with this wood, except it's round. Yeah, let's do one small split. This thing has got a hairy wonky to split, and it's sure twisted as well, but so okay, that got it easy. And let's go into the harder one. And this thing I can, if I use it, but this one I have damage, then I don't lose the width of the other knife. Now they have handle on it, so I'd be a little bit more stingy. So in this one, okay, I'm going to whittle the hard part of the femur here, and this is the crunchy. Well, let me. So it's more deliberate. Okay. I'm doing a sanity check anyway. I didn't sharpen up that cleanly in the first place because it's going to face a much tougher test. And this is 16D nail, and I'm going to whittle it. How did it get part of the piece of skin come off? I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but pretty much when you make shaving out of this nail, two things happen. In this case, I mean, because 18 degrees precise and it's sharp, the very apex going to deform some way. It's not going to be, say, oh, it's going to be like nothing. If you look it under the loupe, you're going to see something to it. But this is, I'm going to show the edge stability thing. So with the wind, it's kind of hard for me to. Have I got more than one piece here? Yeah, it got a little rough up. I can feel that it is a little bit of a micro roll. I'm going to just knock the roll out too quick. There you go. I mean the apex got to roll over, and that's why it's smooth and it won't bite. It's still right there. It's not microchips or anything. I think it's just there you go. So just to see that. Oh. Definitely help the edge roll. Okay, so $16B now. Go here. No, see better. Okay, here you go. It's a terrible platform to do it. It gets shear away when you penetrate, and then it got pried sideways. So it's a tear piece. It's been torn out. This side is less torn than this side. So when you see that, you see the torn away. And again, it's fairly thin, so let me. More control as it correctly hit it. See right there? It's Then we got another nail. I made one testing, and you can see that do the wrong thing, and if this was like a anvil or something, then it would be easy to control. But here we go. I'm going to put it where the 1/6 is. Okay. Where the 1/6 right here. And you can have a sense for the thickness of the edge in the bevel. And this is a little bit, got right a little bit in, so that it might not representative. It looks skinnier than thinner than it should be. I will cut another nail right here, maybe. Right here. Cut right there, next to that pry. You can see it off color. Alright. And let's try one more. Let's cut it at the 0. The 0 have a little, look like they have a bunch of little roll already on it, ripple and roll. But I'm looking for, so maybe between that, the 0 and the 1. Between the 0 and the 1. You can see on the very apex have a little rippling or rolling, or even, I mean, if it falls too much, it could microchip out, but not much. As far as the damage, it cut the 16D now pretty well. Let's do a more aggressive cut. I'm cutting to that hammer face right there, that line, that side right there. You can feel it, you can hit it right there. It make a ridge out of it. So to cut, then you can see it's fine. So 1095. It's fairly challenging to heat treat, but doing it right, it can, you can do chopper, or you can face something like this nail. But if I were doing a lot of metal chopping for demo, for example, 18 degree psi, fairly thin, because mid strike and I pry sideways, then then you see something like that, the little tear or pried away. But other than that, the edge hold. Oh, just curious. Got this little, it's much smaller nail, but I do. Of course, nothing. Well, I went with a few fun chop more of my eucalyptus. Thanks for watching.